Hi everyone, Glama here again. Welcome back to Glama's Beauty and Fitness Journal. Today I'm so excited. I have never ever ordered makeup online for myself, and today I got the first order that I ordered, which was last week. I'm so excited. It's by BH Cosmetics, and I only ordered 4 things, so I don't know if you can really call this a haul or not, but I'm excited. It just got here in the mail. My husband went to go work out, but before he did, he went to the post office to see if my box was here, and it was! Yay! Okay, so anyway, I know I can be really goofy. Today I have on some BH eyeshadow that my daughter sent me a palette. I'm sure you saw that video, but I'm wearing a color that I've never tried before from that palette. I'm wearing like a gold on the inside, a lighter kind of brown and a darker brown, and I'm wearing brown pencil on the inside. So yeah, this is new makeup for me, and I just have my hair in a fishtail braid with some little diamonds in it. See? Anyway, let's get started. My daughter also ordered some BH stuff. She's up in Washington, and she's the one that told me about the little special that they had going on, that if you bought $25 or more, you got a free item. So one of the items in here was a free item, and she placed her order the day before I placed mine. So she got hers not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. So I thought I was going to get mine yesterday. I was all psyched, ready to open up my new makeup box, and it didn't show up. But it's here today, yay! Okay. Ooh, they package it really nice. Wow, what is this stuff? I've never seen. Look at how it's packaged with this stuff. I've never seen any kind of packaging like that before. Wow. And wow. And wow. That's a lot of packaging. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I showed you the palette that my daughter gave me. She got me the, what was it? I don't know what it is. Here it is. It's right here. It's the 88 color Cool Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I ordered the 66 color Lip Gloss Palette. Woohoo! Let's see. Oh, it's even in a box. I thought that was already the case, but that's a box. See, look at all the different palettes that you can get from BH. And the pricing at BH is awesome! Especially if you're a beginner with makeup like me and you want to try different things, but you don't want to spend a whole lot of money until you find the brand or the company that you like the most. This is a good way to go. Good way to get started with makeup, with BH. And I don't even know that I need to switch to anything like MAC or Sephora, because I'm really liking this stuff. Here it is! Alright. Oh my, it's beautiful. So it has a little cover on it. Let me take the little plastic cover so it doesn't glare on you guys. My word, I can't wait to try these. Look at the colors. They're so beautiful. I'm in love. I'm in love. I never knew about makeup palettes. I'm an artist, but so I've known about art palettes, paint palettes, and stuff like that, but makeup palettes? Wow. Awesome. I love them. Wow, I don't see myself ever wearing blue lips though, but you never know. I never would have thought that I would have wore a purple smoky eye that I had on the other day either. Okay, so I'm going to look at my next item. There should be 3 more items in here. This is my freebie. It's bigger than I thought. Wow, I thought it was going to be like a little teeny tiny free palette. It's a blush palette. Look how big it is. My word. Awesome. It's called a BH Duo Blush Palette. Yes. Awesome. Okay, let's just dig in. You know what? It's so weird that my daughter said these are the choices you have for the free items, and before she even finished, she had said that the blush was one of the choices, and I knew she'd already given me the eyeshadow palette, and I thought, I need a lip palette now and a blush palette. So when she mentioned that the blush was one of the free ones, I said, I already knew before she finished that's what I was gonna want. And guess what? She also chose this the day before as her free little giveaway. Oh my word, look at how big the pods are. I thought the pods were gonna be really small, but they're not. They're so pretty. Wow. Look at that. They got lighter colors. This could be like for summertime. These could be, that could be for like spring. That could be for like summer. Woohoo! Or winter. I already said summer, didn't I? I said summer, spring, and maybe winter, or vice versa. I don't know, but they're gorgeous. Yay, I'm so excited. My husband says, I want to see. And I said, no, I get nervous when I film. I'll show you later. So I didn't let him watch. He can hear me anyway. We're in a tiny RV, so I know he can hear me. Okay. Okay. Hey, wait. There should have been one more thing, unless I missed it. Oh, here it is. I got so nervous because this is the thing I've been waiting for the most. I am trying so hard to learn how to fill in my eyebrows. As I'm getting older, like I've said over and over, I'm 50 years old now. Last month, September 26th, the older I'm getting, the more sparse my eyebrows are getting, so I'm having to learn how to fill them in better. But, so what I ordered is this. Woohoo! This Flawless Brow Trio. And I ordered it in medium for my olive skin color. Let's see what this looks like. My daughter says she has this one as well. She ordered it a while back. I think she says she has the light and the medium. Oh yeah, I can't open it. I don't want to tear the box. That's just how I am. I like saving everything because I'm weird that way. I think what it is I grew up in a very, very humble environment. Very humble home living, and so now whenever I get anything new, I try to take care of it. But this box is not cooperating with me, so I just might have to tear it open. Okay, I saved the box. Okay, so here it is. Woohoo! Now let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, and it has a little mirror. I won't blind you guys, but there's a little mirror. Or maybe I will blind you guys. Ah, there's the camera. And anyway, here's the stuff. And when it said on there, I went online to see how to use these, and it said there was a wax. And I'm like, a wax? How do you use the wax? So I texted my daughter and I said, babe, what do you do with the wax? And she says, well, it helps the eyebrows stay on longer. What you fill in, it helps it stay on all day long. She said some people put it on before they fill in their brows, some people put it on afterwards, some people do it before and after. So I'm excited. I didn't know that there was going to be tinted wax that was going to help me keep my eyebrows on, because that's true. Sometimes I'll do it and then I'll like rub myself and part of it is gone. So that's kind of embarrassing and sad at the same time. Yay, I'm excited to play. Okay, the next thing that I ordered is a Flawless Brow Highlighter. That same tutorial that I watched on how to fill in your brows, that's why they look so flawless. You see pictures where women's eyebrows and makeup look so flawless. Well, I just learned that they put like a highlighter underneath and on top, and that's what just gives it a nice definition. So I ordered one. I'm like, ooh, that sounds nice. And I've been trying it, but I've been trying it with just concealer. But yay. So there's two different colors. There's that color. Let me see, am I holding it? Let me just open it. There's that color. Looks a little, oh, this is a matte. That's what it is. That's the matte side. And this is the shimmer side. So that has a more shimmer to it. Can you see the shimmer? Yeah. Awesome. Can't wait to play with it. And it's big. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Okay, the last thing that I got was just a concealer pencil. I've never tried a concealer pencil, and I got it in a color that is way lighter than my skin, but I did that on purpose because I want it to conceal. I don't want it to, I could have gotten the medium, or I forget what the other color is, but more for my skin color, but that's for like more of a natural look, but I wanted one for when I have a more makeup look. So this, I ordered it in a little bit lighter. Let's see how light it is. Yeah, see, that's about the color of the concealer that I normally wear. Let me see, I'm gonna put some on even though I already have concealer on. See how nice. Let me see, where's my brush? See, that's not too light. That's awesome. You know what? I could use a little concealer here. I'm looking in the camera monitor. I like it. I'm so happy. Yay! You got to see my very first makeup order come in the mail. Woohoo! Alright guys, I'm so excited about all of this. You know, normally you go to MAC or Sephora, from what I've seen, and I bought my daughter's stuff from those expensive places. Something like this would have cost so much. And I think this was $12.95. Can you imagine 66 colors to try for $12.95? I think the brow trio was $3.95. Normally it's like $5 or $6.95. And oh darn, I forget how much this normally is. Is it 12 also, or 7 or 8? But I got it free. My word, a big old palette like that. And this was probably $2.95, and then the brow one was like $2 or $3 also. So man, I scored, I think. BH Cosmetics is the way to go. I love you guys. All right, my Glama beauties, I'm so glad that I got to share this little reveal with y'all, this little haul, and I can't wait to try it. I wish I didn't have any makeup on right now so I could just, well, maybe I'll just take it all off and start over again today. Nah. I'll try it tomorrow, and maybe I'll make a video of when I'm trying some of this stuff, and I'll let you know. This came from my BH haul from the other day. Alright guys, thank you for taking this journey along with me, and being a part of the excitement and everything. And I know you guys have probably bought makeup, you know, hundreds of times and gotten it online, and to you this is just silly, but for me it's awesome. It's a first for me. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to join me again for my next journal entry. I think this is journal entry number 17. I've got some good ideas for my next journal entries. I want to do an autumn fall color eyeshadow smoky eye using yellows and oranges and browns. I also want to do a Maleficent type looking makeup, because I went and saw the movie finally for the first time. I didn't see it when it was out at the regular theater. I waited till it was at the dollar theater because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. I loved it, and I loved her makeup, so I'm going to try to do that whole Maleficent look. And I wish I had my daughter's, she has Maleficent like wire horns that she got. It's a headband that she bought just so that she could wear it when she wants to keep her hair out of her face when she's washing it and putting makeup on. I wish I could borrow that, but she's in Washington. I'm here. So anyway, maybe I'll do something funky with my hair to make it look like Maleficent horns. So yeah, so those are some ideas that I have. Other ideas that I have is to just have my raw face with no makeup on and just show the places that I highlight. And then another video is just to show the places where I contour, because those are things that I didn't know when I first started this whole YouTube journal. And so I know that there has to be other ladies out there that don't know where you're supposed to highlight, where you're supposed to contour, and how to blend it all in. So those are some ideas that I have coming up. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I've got some good ideas coming. We can learn together. Alrighty guys, I love you. Bye. Oh, you know what? I just looked at my invoice and I'll tell you what everything cost. The concealer pencil in Fair was only $2.95. Okay, the Flawless Brow Highlighter was only $3.95. The Flawless Brow Trio in medium was $6.95, and I had said between 5 or 7, so yeah, $6.95. The 66 lip gloss palette was what I said, $12.95, and my duo brush palette was $0. Yay! See, there's my stuff. See? Awesome. So I got all of that for $34 right there. See, $34. Shipping was $7.95. I could have almost gotten a whole free item for that shipping cost, but if I would have ordered a little bit more, then I would have gotten free shipping. But anyway, if y'all haven't tried BH Cosmetics, you got to try it. Okay, now for real this time, I'm going to say goodbye. Bye, all my Glama beauties. I love you. Mwah.